Look at this shit. Pretty big. Are you scared? Look how crazy that is. It's fucking massive, man. Because we're gonna go inside. Come on, Jimmy. Come on. Well, you sit outside. I don't care. Fuck it. Yeah, I know what it is. I'm amazing. Do this. Dude, that's kind of scary. How big that is? It's probably like 800, 900 feet. Maybe bigger. Blocking out the sun. Oh my god, this is fucking crazy! Holy shit, look at that color. Elena! Ethan, there's gonna be a shit ton of dirt about to hit you. It might be a tornado. Come on. Come on, Ethan. Even the birds are building.
It's like a freaking wasteland! Oh. Looks like a wasteland, Dad, look! It's way dark. All dust. Very, very orange. Dad, look. Come here. Look, Dad.
What?
Come on.
Jennifer, what happened in school today?
Come on, let's hear it. Looks like a...
It's not even here yet.
Look, it looks like a freaking little wasteland. Radiation wasteland.
It's orange out here. I think it's clearing up. Getting brighter. Did you get the soap? Motherfucker. I mean, oops. So you see a street light on its pipe. Not even. What time is it? Like 4:30? 5? 5:30. Sun's just right there.
And then project their inadequacies on their kids.
I fist my mom and yeah, it's kicking up pretty high. Chris, he like teach people how to make muffins and shit. Look, there's a little bird. He's like, shit, I'm fucking dying. Help, some bitch, run, save yourself. Too bad? I can't tell. Oh, it got dark. Here's another cloud. Whoa. Eat the bitch. It does. Alright. Got dark as fuck. Oh, I don't want to be out there anymore.
I'm looking. I can see in this.
You're all right, but I got that on video. This thing gonna hit you in the face.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that. Oh, that was cool. Calm down. I bet there's gonna be a blast of darkness.
Here it comes. That's breaking quick too. You can like literally just see the shit ton of dust just. It's like snowing, but crazy.
First time you had one of these?
First time Mom had one of these?
Can I kill you?
Probably not. I don't think so. I think it's just a sandstorm. That's it.
Huh?
I didn't recognize anything. There's nothing at all. Look at people.
Oh my god, look how scared. Jesus, this is horrible. Let's get inside. Hurry.
You're right, Elaine. I heard it in my eyes, but I don't like it.